Not again. Hey guys, how you doing? Well, here's a little backstory for you. I went on Instagram one time and asked, what should I cook next? And I got as answer, an Alfredo dish. But since that day, I've been harassed to cook an Alfredo dish, and I haven't done it already. So, today, I will be harassed no longer. I will cook a prawn linguine Alfredo dish. You wanna know how I did it? I'm Cosito. Let's go! So, the ingredients you need are very basic. We're gonna start with garlic powder, paprika powder, cayenne pepper. You need some Parmesan, which we're gonna grate about 50 grams to add to the sauce. Next, you'll need 2 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, a nub of butter. Of course, we need our prawns, peeled and also deveined, very important. You need cream, about 480 milliliters, our wine, our Sauvignon Blanc, and we're gonna get salt and pepper and our linguine pasta. Let's get cooking. Start by putting on the stove a pan with salted water on medium-high heat. Later, as the water is boiling, we'll drop the linguine pasta in the pan. Other than that, put on a skillet or a frying pan with a bit of olive oil and bring that to temp on a medium-high heat. As the oil is hot enough, go ahead and drop the prawns in and cook them off for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Be careful though to not overdo this, cause they may turn into rubber. While the prawns are searing off, we're gonna season them quite nicely with garlic powder, cayenne powder, paprika powder, and salt and pepper. After they seared up nicely, turn them around and repeat the process of let them cook for 1 to 2 minutes and season them. When they are done, put them in a separate bowl and please do not clean that pan cause the fond that formed on the bottom will be used. At this point, it's probably clever to grate your cheese.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Continuing on, in that same frying pan, add a knob of butter, which will start our deglazing process. When the butter has melted enough, add the finely chopped onions to be sauteed in the pan for about 1 minute. In this saute process, you might get carried away and add a bit more butter. It's okay, I support you. Cause adding more butter at this point is optional, but highly recommended. Be sure to check out the description for all the ingredients. Now while you're at it, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and also ring that bell icon to get notified when new videos are out. This helps out the channel a lot. Thanks! Okay, so after that 1 minute or so of sauteing, mince your garlic and add it to the pan. Now toss the minced garlic in and let it cook for another minute. This gives us the perfect opportunity to put the linguine in the boiling water. Lengthwise, it will slowly slide into the water. Pay attention to both pans though, because multitasking is key here. A skill that apparently we as men have never mastered. Try to drench all the pasta in the water. Use tongs if you have to. Now let's switch back to the frying pan, to which I'll add about half a cup of the Sauvignon Blanc. You can use whatever wine you like as long as it's white wine. Just bring that to a simmer and try to scrape off the fond off of the bottom of the pan. The fond will now release quite easily from the bottom of the pan. It'll take a couple of minutes to cook out all the alcohol of the wine, and probably at this stage your pasta is cooked al dente and is done. So take it off the stove and drain it. Now just lightly season the pasta just to give it a bit more flavor. This will complement the flavor of the sauce. Sprinkle garlic powder, salt and pepper, and add a knob of butter. Then just swirl it around. Heading back to the sauce, you'll see that it's reduced quite a bit and the alcohol is completely cooked out. It's now releasing a delicious flavor of wine, butter, and garlic.
And then I start to smell them, so it's like a smell like tastes like.
At this stage, pour in the cream and let it cook for 2 minutes such that it gets up to temp. The heat should be on a medium as the cream can quickly burn, so be careful for that. Okay, so now that the cream is nice and hot, begin to sprinkle in the grated Parmesan in. Let it cook for about a minute. Do not cook it for too long or else your sauce will split. As it's simmering on, use this moment to taste your sauce. and add anything else that you feel like. I found that my sauce was a bit bland, so I added a bit more cheese, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, and paprika powder. So the bottom line of what I'm trying to say is, taste your sauce.
Then I start to taste them. I say,
When you're done, you got two options. Either slowly pour the sauce with the pasta or drench the pasta in the sauce, which is the option I prefer. Mix it all together nicely, then plate it up. Lastly, sprinkle a bit of dill on top and this prawns linguine Alfredo is done. Come on, let's taste. The pasta and the prawns are beautifully coated in all that sauce, which makes this dish
Nice.
I hope you give it a try, cause it's all by all. Yum! Whew! I will be harassed no longer. Check out the description for all the ingredients and measurements, and also like this video if you have enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. Hey, if you want me to cook anything else, let me know in the comments below. This has been Cosito's Kitchen and showing you the difference between a chef and a cook. Take care, guys. Peace. Yeah.